2, 1.
Hi, YouTube viewers, and this is my bike setup. As you could see, we could start with some Kink lightest bar ends, some Fly Rubin grips, Kink Wolf bars, Animal Remix stem, stock headset, Odyssey forks, a Demolition wheel, Odyssey Mike Aiken tire, Demolition hub guard, Animal peg. For my sprocket, I have a Sprocky Balboa sprocket, KMC chain, profile cranks, Odyssey twisted PC pedals. I have an Animal javelin hub with an Odyssey quadrant rim with Odyssey spokes, a Demolition machete tire, Animal pegs, Primo hub guard, and I got stock bottom brackets, an Animal seat, and I have a premium frame. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.